Hello everybody and welcome back to the VictoryXR Academy tutorial series. Today we are going to explore how to create an event. So here we are back on our profile on our web browser. We're going to go to events. We're going to make a new event. I'll let it load up. I'm going to go up here to create us a new event. And we're going to give it a title. I'm going to call it VictoryXR Academy Cool Times. There you go. Here's the name of the event. I can change the start date. I'm going to make it be on Friday. And we're going to change the start time. Now, be mindful this is in military time, so I'm going to be 1 p.m. on Friday. And you'll see that it's changed the end date and the end time to be a half hour later. We're going to make it a full hour, so we're going to make it 2 o'clock. There you go. Now remember, this is for your time zone. So this is 1 p.m. my time zone. So if you have students coming from different time zones, make sure they're mindful of that. You can add a description, a short description and a long one. You can choose whether or not you want attendees to be able to see your contact email. You can change the type of the meeting. This is more just semantics. It's not going to change too much. It'll just change how it's displayed on the events page. But I'll just make it type class, sure. You can upload an image to here if you like. And you can change how many can attend the class. I usually like to give the session a password. I like to make it a nice and easy password, since people coming in via a VR headset, it might be a little tedious for them to use their VR keyboard to type in a super long password. You're also going to go into the advanced settings. You can change whether or not you can see, people can see the guest list. So when people mark themselves as attending, you'll be able to see who's attending. You can also make it so that when people want to join your session, join your event, they have to mark themselves as attending beforehand, so you can have RSVP on or off. And you can also have the visibility change from public, so it'll appear on the public events tab. You can also make that unlisted, so only people with the actual URL of the event listing will be able to sign up. You can also change the group visibility to make it so only VictoryXR members can see it too. The way I usually like to do it, go ahead and cancel that out. I like to turn RSVP required off, make it unlisted, and I'll save and publish. The reason I like to do that is because then when you pull up your event, here it is, I can copy that link and I can just send this URL to those whom I'd like to the event to go to. So if you have your class's students' emails, you can just send them this URL and say, okay, go ahead and register for the class, and I'll know that you're signed up because I'll be able to see the guests attending down here. So that's just one way you can do it. That's just the way that I like to do it personally. But you could choose to have it be on the public tab with a password, or however you like to do it. And I'll go ahead and delete. Actually, no, I won't delete it, because now I'm going to go ahead and switch things over to Engage. I'm in my VR headset right now. Go ahead and grab my controllers here. There we go. So now here I am in the interface. I'm going to go to Events, and you'll see that if I go to my Hosting tab, and I go off to Friday rather, there it is. There's our event, and there's all the details. And I could even choose to start it now. It's not Saturday yet. Well, not Saturday, Friday. I could even choose to start it now. I can edit it from here, from within the headset if I like. Now, if I'm a student and I register for it using the web link on their web browser, it'll also appear under my attending tab. So there's hosting, there's attending, there's even interested. If there's an event that you're not really sure if you want to go to, you can put it under interested. And you have the VictoryXR tab there for events that are only under VictoryXR visibility. So you can do that too. So great. That's all for creating and registering and viewing events. I'll see you guys next time.